never had Taiwanese soy sauce marinated chicken, you are in for a treat. Today I'm serving it with steamed wraps for a quick Peking duck vibe, but honestly it's just as good with rice. The marinade is super flavorful, just mix light and dark soy sauces, mirin, sugar, Chinese black vinegar, garlic powder, and splashable water. Then thicken it with starch. Once it cools, pour it over the chicken and let it soak up all that flavor. Brush some oil on wonton wrappers, roll them into larger sheets and steam. Then air fry the chicken until it's nice and crispy. Wrap it up with fresh cucumber and an extra drizzle of sauce, just like how my family loves it. Honestly, the chicken is so good. You've got to try it.